Hi everyone! Welcome to the unboxing, installation and review of the Anchor AF-9700 7-stage water filter. You can get this product for about $130. Check out the link in the description. At first I have to install the batteries for the LCD display. This water filter automatically shows the remaining filter capacity on the LCD when the filtration system is used. The water filter comes with 2 batteries included. Replacing the filter cartridge is very easy. You just need to use the plastic wrench to twist the housing of the water filter, take out the old filter cartridge and replace a new one, then twist the housing again with a plastic wrench. The water filter comes with a faucet adapter, which was too big for my faucet. Unfortunately, the manufacturer doesn't state the size of the faucet adapter and the diverter valve in the user manual, so I had to figure it out by myself. I found a matching faucet adapter at Home Depot for around $4. Installing the water filter is very easy and only takes a few minutes. At first you have to remove the faucet aerator. Then you have to install the faucet adapter. After that, you can connect the diverter valve to the faucet adapter. The last step is to connect the tube to the diverter valve. If you use the water filter for the very first time, you have to let the water run for about 5 minutes to carry out the fine carbon. Make sure everything is well connected and screwed tight so there is no water leaking. Now the water filter is ready and I didn't even need a plumber to install it. If you need a countertop water filter that is very easy to install, I would recommend the Anchor AF-9700 water filter. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.